I think about how exciting it would be to see a sudden rise in value, one so big that it changes the crypto market forever. Remember how excited you were. What if I told you that XRP Ripple could be about to go through a similar surge? But what if I told you that experts think XRP Ripple will be able to grow by an amazing 120% in the future? It sounds pretty crazy, doesn't it? But this video has all the answers. Do not miss a single second. Nota bene. Let us take it one step at a time. Right now, XRP is in the middle of the volatile cryptocurrency market with a price that stays around 60 cents. Recent market trends have been all over the place, with times of optimism and times of doubt. The price of XRP has been all over the place, just like the market as a whole, and the way that cryptocurrencies are always changing. Even with all the change, there have been important moments and events that deserve attention. XRP has formed strategic relationships with some of the world's biggest banks and is making progress in developing new technologies. These important events show that XRP is becoming more and more recognized as a major player in the world of finance. They also show that XRP has the ability to completely change how cross-border transactions and global payments are made. XRP is often called cheap, even though it has done all of these things. Why does this happen? Context and how people see things are key to the answer. The XRP ecosystem is strong, and it acts as a bridge exchange in the digital world. However, regulatory problems and misunderstandings have harmed its progress. A lot of people don't realize how useful XRP really is, which is making the market think it is worth less than it really is. To figure out where XRP is going, we need to look at how its price has changed in the past and the things that have affected that change. From the euphoric highs of the bull run in 2017 to the legal problems that followed, XRP has had to deal with rough seas. Even though there have been changes, its fundamentals have stayed strong, showing that it has the ability for long-term growth and adoption. As we think back on XRP's history, one thing stands out. There is a huge amount of room for creativity. XRP is getting closer to its goal of a smooth, efficient global payment network with each new development and milestone. As we move through the ups and downs of the cryptocurrency market, let's keep our eyes on the future. The next part of XRP's story looks set to be nothing less than amazing. But wait, this is where the crazy part of the video starts. Let's get started. XRP is a bright spot of promise in the huge and constantly changing world of cryptocurrencies, with price predictions that don't seem to fit with what most people would expect. Today, we are going to talk about XRP price targets. We will look at the exciting possibilities of hitting $288, $412, and even $771. Let's figure out why these big predictions are being made by breaking down the technical analysis and market factors that are behind each one. Before we start, let's paint a picture of the high price goals that have XRP fans all over the world excited. Think about XRP going up to $288. This number may be hard to understand, but it could cause a huge change in the crypto world. Now picture pushing the limits even further to $412 and $771, amounts that beckon with the promise of gains and possibilities that have never been seen before. But how do we get to these numbers that look like they belong in space? A close study of technical signs and how the market moves will reveal the answer. Let's look at the estimate of $288, which is based on trends seen in the past and the way markets move in cycles. Analysts have found patterns that point to a possible rise to this amazing price level by looking at past trends and using technical analysis. As we move on to the $412 prediction, we look more closely at how the market feels and how investors act. Analysts look at a lot of charts, trade numbers, and market psychology to figure out how likely it is that such a huge jump will happen. As they try to figure out how to balance supply and demand in the crypto world, it's like a delicate dance between art and science. In addition, there is the bold goal of $771, a number that doesn't make sense but holds the promise of huge profits. In this case, the reasoning goes beyond simple technical analysis and into the world of fundamental factors and macroeconomic trends. From changes in regulations that could have an effect to new technologies that can change everything, every piece of the game adds to the big picture of XRP's price path. But don't believe me, different experts and researchers' ideas back up these predictions, giving us a wide range of views that help us better understand XRP's potential. From crypto experts with years of experience to newcomers to the scene, each brings a different point of view to the story of XRP's rise. Take a look at Javon Marks's research. He has a great eye for market patterns and has found similarities between past and present trends that support the idea of a rise to $288. Or pay attention to the study that Changeley analysts and Google Bar did. Their predictions give you an idea of how much XRP might be worth in the future. One thing becomes clear as we sort through these thoughts and figure out why each projection makes sense. Getting to $288, $412, and $771 isn't just a wild guess, it's a carefully planned route backed by facts, analysis, and strong belief. So, as we start this journey of finding, let's keep our eyes on the horizon because XRP's price potential is truly limitless. What do you think about those price quotes? Is it possible that XRP Ripple will reach $771 today? To help you understand, it's a pump of more than 120%. Everyone, we live in a crazy world. It's not over yet, things are getting more interesting. Watch out for now. We are going to explore the world of technical analysis where experts such as Jevon Marks and Changeley analysts use their mathematical skills to figure out the complex patterns in the cryptocurrency market. These experts give useful information about how the price of XRP might move by carefully charting and analyzing it. A well-known crypto analyst named Jevon Marks has shown a strong trend that may point to a bullish future for XRP. Marks found a bearish descending trend line that looked like it had been there in previous cycles by looking at history trends and charts of XRP's price changes. He says that this trend is the key to unlocking XRP's huge price increase potential. On the other hand, Changeley analysts use their knowledge and advanced analytical tools to break down how markets work and find possible business possibilities. By analyzing, they find key indicators that point to an upward trend for XRP. This gives investors useful information to help them make trading choices. Before we can fully understand how XRP's price could go up, we need to look at how it has changed over time, from the beginning to the present. Now let's look at how past patterns might happen again and cause the price of XRP to rise significantly. Analysts like Marks and Changeley can make educated guesses about how the price of XRP will move in the future by looking at historical data and finding trends that keep happening. Marks, for example, says that XRP has historically risen after breaking through a bearish falling trend line, which is a pattern that has been seen in previous cycles. This trend makes it look like XRP might be about to make a big move. This could cause prices to rise significantly in the coming months. In the same way, Changeley analysts look for key signs that XRP is going up, such as rising trading volumes and a good mood in the market. These analysts use past patterns and current market factors to imagine a future where XRP's price soars to new heights. One thing becomes very clear, this is all based on technical analysis and historical trends. There is a real chance that the price of XRP will go up by a lot. Many experts, including Jevon Marks and Changeley analysts, carefully study and observe XRP prices to predict their future movements. This gives buyers a glimpse into the future of the constantly changing cryptocurrency world. Now it's a little easier to see what's going on with XRP Ripple, but that's not the end of it. Let's keep going. In the world of cryptocurrencies, usefulness is one of the main reasons why prices go up. Additionally, looking at past data has shown patterns that show times when XRP is more useful correspond with times when its price goes up a lot. The link between the two shows how important utility is as a reason for XRP's price increase. It also shows how much more growth is possible as utility grows within the XRP ledger environment. As we learn more about how utility and price growth work, one thing stands out. The XRP ledger environment has a huge chance to make the price of XRP go through the roof by boosting adoption and adding new users. By using partnerships, new ideas, and study findings, XRP is set to become a major player in the constantly changing world of digital finance. This is